Alright, well, we were able to get a little bit of work done on the boat. We got the trim working. That's a good thing. But the trim mounting bracket is all rusted out. So we're going to have to figure out a way of fixing that. Shouldn't be too difficult. And then mounting it back there after we clean it up. But troubleshooting, we found out that this connection was pretty bad. It rained on us and we think we might have a bad switch. We'll connect the battery here real quick. And we'll climb down. Alright, so we'll use the trim switch on the bow, or the stern, sorry. There we go. Trim goes up. Or drive goes up. Drive goes down. I checked the impeller, it looks pretty good. It's not fried or anything else. Opened it up, water came out of it. So we just gotta check the thermostat. And like I said, this is a learning experience for me. I haven't worked on one of these before, so looking for the thermostat. I thought that it's under here. We'll have to do a little bit more research on that just to find out or figure that out. But so far, I guess we're making some progress here. Trim works. And we got a bad switch. We got a bad switch. That was the trim going all on its own. I believe it's this switch back here. But we're just going to disconnect the battery for now. And we're going to come back in the morning. Or not in the morning, tomorrow evening after work. And continue plugging away on some of these issues. Hopefully we don't get any more rain, so the bilge and stuff can dry out again. But yeah, that's where we're at.